Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support.
On this video, I'll be giving you what will happen this week on House of City. Nkosi and Msizi clash, with Nkosi planning to take him down. Shoki warns Nkosi and Una, while Mampo vent to Soka and Maria in Isaac. Nkosi's plan is to blackmail Msizi, but Una is worried. Msizi demands more control instead of apologizing, while Mampo reluctantly agreed to stop searching for her father. Faith confronts Msizi, but he blames Nkosi. Tato refuses to help Mampo, and Una agrees they must act against Msizi. Nkosi and Una offer peace to Msizi, and which Msizi accepted. Una gets footage of Sizwe's death. Soka learns Mampo's father teaches in Johannesburg. Mampo is shocked, realizing that her father lives in the same city with her. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.